This is how to open your PowerSchool exports in Sheets. This is going to work the same too if you have other systems that you are running exports from and you get text files. And this is also going to work the same for any type of export in PowerSchool, whether you're using a template for export or quick export or DDE. So you just run through your process to export your file. When you export it, you're going to have a couple different options on where to save it. The important part is going to be renaming the file. PowerSchool always defaults to export their files named student.export.text. So you're going to change that student.export to whatever file name you want. You want to get rid of the dot that's in the middle there. And you need to change the TEXT file name extension to TXT. That's the really important part because Sheets will not recognize the PowerSchool TEXT file. Now, I'm going to go ahead and save this to my desktop, but once we install Google Drive file stream on your computers, you'll be able to select that and navigate to your drive if you wanted to save it here. Just a little housekeeping tip here. If you do decide to export directly to Drive once you have file stream, you're going to want to have a folder here for your export files because they will start to pile up, because when you import the file into Sheets, it's actually going to create a separate file. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop this time. And then you need to navigate to Sheets. You can't open the text files directly from Drive, so even if you do move it into Drive, you still need to go into Sheets to get it open. Drive wants to open it as a doc file when it's a text. The only files that will open directly into Sheets are CSV, Excel, and Sheets files. So once you have your blank sheet open, you're going to go to File and Import. And if you saved your file to your drive, you'll navigate through your drive here. If you saved it to your desktop or someplace else on your computer, you're going to go to Upload. Now, you can either select a file from your computer, and that'll give you that browse window where you can go and find the file by the file name. Or I have it here on my desktop, so I'm just going to drag and drop it into the box. This will upload the file for you. When you get this window here about importing the file, all you need to do is click Import Data. Everything is already set to what you need it to be. Once you import the data, you're going to want to name your spreadsheet. Because this is an import, it didn't actually name it or pull that file that you already had in. So even if you're importing from your file in Drive, you're still going to need to name your spreadsheet here. And now you have the saved spreadsheet with your data in it. You can go in and manipulate it the same way that you normally would, and you have it in your sheet here. And again, this is going to work for any kind of text file or export text file from any other system as well.